It's pretty bonkers to think that we can now call a Mercedes SLS and SLS Black Series a pretty common car for us. Yes, another one. We are adding Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all wirelessly with one incredible world's first touch, and that is why all of them come here. The reason is because we can make the factory screen touchscreen. Let me show you. These cars, you'll know and be fed up with that dated system that is here. So obviously this control system is just so annoying and dated, and where the screen is, it's in such a position where you'd want to be touching it. However, it's not touchscreen, you've got to use this jog wheel. However, that is all changed. Okay, so you got rid of this dated navigation system that is way out of date. All I'm going to do is, I've got my phone here completely wirelessly. I'm going to press and hold the back button and just check this. Fully wirelessly, it goes over and shows Apple CarPlay. I've got Waze, I've got Google Maps, I've got my Spotify, I've got Tidal, everything. But yeah, you just saw that correctly. Yeah, it's fully touchscreen. It is so intuitive. You get factory controls for audio system in terms of volume up and down. It all just works really nicely, really seamlessly. We've got everything in terms of music to be able to enjoy the system and really enjoy the car, because now we've got updated maps in here. We've got everything we could possibly think of needing. Things like Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, your WhatsApp messages, your text messages, phone calls, all of it now, all live directly on the screen here. Plus, the biggest thing is the fact it is touchscreen. And for those of you who don't know, this is a world first, and I don't know how many SLSs I've done this month or so. I think this is probably our 5th or 6th. They are literally becoming pretty common here now. It's pretty incredible, the solution that we've come up with to be able to do this. So if you're interested in having this booked in with us, just drop us a message. I need to see a couple of pictures of the interior with the factory old dated screen turned on. Send me over all your vehicle details. We'll send you back a quote and get you booked in. It is a one-day turnaround to be able to do this now. It is really cool that we've done so many of them now that we can do them relatively quickly. Everything's been checked over, everything's been done now. It's really intuitive. You can also use a jog wheel, but we do recommend you use the actual touchscreen, and you're going to want to, rather than having to scroll. It's a lot nicer to be able to use that touchscreen and use that added functionality. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed another SLS video. We've got lots of other videos on these and this conversion as well, so if you want to watch them on a different SLS, we've got, I think, one on a Black Series, but if you want to watch them, feel free to have a browse of our YouTube channel. But also head over to our website, see some of the other stuff that we do, things like color set changing seat belts, different security upgrades, as well as sound system work as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.